Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin access and a quick hardware checklist. This avoids surprises. Once ready, restart and press the key shown for BIOS, Dell, F2, or F12 immediately as the system boots. In BIOS, locate Advanced or Chipset Settings. Look for Integrated Graphics, iGPU Multi-Monitor, or Primary Display options. Change Primary Display to PEG, PCIe, or set iGPU to Disabled. Do this because the firmware controls which adapter initializes first and ensures the discrete GPU takes precedence. Once BIOS changes are made, boot into your operating system to finalize settings. Open Device Manager and expand display adapters. Find the integrated GPU and disable the device. Right-click Disable Device to stop the OS from loading its driver. Then, install or update your discrete GPU drivers so display output remains stable. Additionally, use Windows graphics settings to assign high-performance GPU to critical apps, which prevents unexpected fallback. This two-step approach ensures both firmware and OS prefer the You're almost done. Verify the change by rebooting and checking Device Manager or the GPU vendor utility to confirm the integrated GPU is disabled and PCIe/PEG is primary. Run a quick graphics task or benchmark to ensure outputs and drivers behave correctly, and monitor temperatures and FPS to be safe. If the screen is blank, don't panic. Power off, clear CMOS, or use the BIOS reset jumper, or boot Windows in safe mode to re-enable the iGPU and restore previous drivers before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.